What's up, buds? The GoPro Mini 11 saga continues. This is not a Mini 11. My Mini 11 was sent to GoPro 2 weeks ago. They still haven't got me a replacement. When I talked to them a week ago, they had my Mini 11 in hand, and they did not ship me a replacement. They gave me a tracking number, lied to me about the tracking, said, hey, we just put it on the truck. I said, bullshit. If you just put it on the truck, I would have already had the tracking number in my inbox. They didn't actually put it on the truck, did they? No. The tracking still says it's not even on the way. It hasn't been received by UPS yet. Fucking lied to me. When I talked to them again today, they told me, oh, we'll just make you a new tracking number. We'll send it out right now. I said, no, fuck you. I don't want another Mini 11. I want my fucking money back. I'm tired of playing your fucking games. I've been on RMA for a month. I still don't have a working camera. I got this working camera. This is my old 10, and the screens don't work on it anymore. Back screen's bust, not cracked, but doesn't work. Front screen, not cracked, but doesn't work. Basically Mini 11, but heavier. I want a fucking Mini 11. I'm tired of waiting this shit. So I've been on the phone with them all day, trying to get a refund processed, and they still haven't issued a refund. I've talked to 2 levels of bosses over there now, and I'm going to the 3rd level next. I'm supposed to get an email within 24 hours. We'll see if they actually fucking deliver. Right now, I'm just super salty because I bought this thing like 3 fucking months, not this thing, the 11, like 3 fucking months ago, and it still doesn't work.